Hi friends, good morning. Today we discuss about for the general aptitude. It is very important to getting job any field like private jobs or government jobs, any campus interviews. The general aptitude is very common exam. To getting good marks in general aptitude paper, you will be cracked any exam. Without general aptitude, you cannot get any jobs nowadays. Because of every person is good on their technical subject. So only the difference is to getting good marks in general paper, you will be topper in batch. So the general aptitude paper is helpful for technical paper also. So it is major scoring area subject and also increasing your thinking ability. General aptitude I will discuss in three parts. First one will be reasoning, second one quant, third one will be simplification. Three different areas. Reasoning is very easy topics. No need for any formulas. Just to remember the logic. Second will be quant. Quant will be some formulas is required. Quant is tough compared to reasoning. Reasoning topics very easy. Third one will be simplification. Simplification is tough compared to quantity. So here will be in simplification mostly depends on formulas and logics. Okay, let's start. First one will be reasoning. In reasoning topics, first one will be letter series, second will be number series, third one coding and decoding, fourth one directions, fifth one blood relations, sixth one dice mixing, seventh one will be charts. This 7 topics is very important in AE exams. In AE exam mostly you will get 50 marks only reasoning section. So in reasoning section you will get full marks, 50 out of 50 or 20 or 25 out of 25. You will get easy marks in reasoning section only. So simply logic depends on solve the questions. Number series or codings and decodings very important for the number series and coding and decoding. This 2 topic is very important. You will get almost 4 to 5 marks these 2 topics only. Okay friends, let's start next section. Please subscribe my channel and share the link. If you want any doubts, please write in the comment section. Thank you for watching.
In quant topics, first one time and distances, second one time and work, third one profit and losses, fourth one will be percentages, fifth one compound interest and simple interest, sixth one ratio and allocations, seventh one ages, averages and partnerships. In this distance, the time and distance and time and work is very important. Next one will be percentages. Percentages also very important. Compound interest or simple interest will be just PTR formula. This is what only PTR by 100. This formula mostly this formula is using in simple interest. Ratios and allegations also important. This is also major scoring area, but quant will be little bit difficult compared to reasoning. So you will spend more time here. Almost you get the good marks.
Next topic is simplifications. In simplification topics will be first one indices, second will be sets, third one will be progressions, fourth one will be number systems, fifth one logarithms. These fives are little bit difficult to compare to these two topics. Here will be low scoring area, so this topic is not that much important, so you will get total 1 or 2 questions only. So just basics will be sufficient. We are asking not difficult question, this ask major questions, that is will also bit helpful for you get 1 or 2 marks. Okay, let's start the section.